Alright, quick camera test showdown. The DJI Pocket 4P, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro, and the standard DJI Pocket 4. And honestly, these three are built for very different creators. The big surprise here is the Pocket 4P. Its dual lens setup, a wide and real 3x telephoto, gives you actual optical zoom, not that fake digital crop stuff. The portrait shots look seriously cinematic, with natural background blur that feels way more pro. Now, if pure specs are your thing, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro is a beast. You're getting 50 megapixels and 8K open gate recording, which means crazy flexibility for cropping and reframing in post. If you shoot for heavy edits or vertical content, this thing is stacked. Then there's the regular Pocket 4, which is probably the easiest to recommend for most people. You still get gorgeous 4K at 240 FPS, mechanical gimbal stabilization, and super clean footage straight out of camera. In low light, both DJI cameras win. That mechanical gimbal keeps footage smooth without weird digital jitter. The GoPro is amazing in action scenes, but once it gets dark, those tiny shakes start creeping in. So yeah, Pocket 4P for versatility, Mission 1 Pro for raw power, and Pocket 4 for everyday creators. Honestly, whichever one fits your style, you're winning.